After I got chased away by a monkey from the Avatar Mountains, I caught the next train and headed to Guilin. There I met a friend of mine, her name is Yifei, and together we went to a village called PingAn. After a cup of tea, we headed to our next destination, XingPing. So that's the view.
I remember it. That thing you can forget, and then two scissors right next to it, and then the book, and then the girl's hat, and then another book, and the girl's hat. And
Okay, so we're not.
It looks like
Looks like Guilin. Okay, so now we are on top of the mountain, enjoying the view. It looks pretty nice. It's a little bit cloudy, so maybe it's gonna be better tomorrow.
No.
So maybe tomorrow we're gonna try another mountain.
The fog will actually make it look better.
Yeah, but it would be nicer if the clouds would like be inside, like around the mountains, and not like just on top. You know what I'm saying?
No.
Good morning. It's raining again, but today we'll try to get to the other side of the river and do a small hike. Our last destination was a village just outside of Yangshuo. This place is beautiful. today. We're a little bit tired of walking because we've been walking so much the last few days. So we're gonna rent an electric scooter. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So we've been driving around the countryside for almost an hour just to come here to see the sunset. I really hope it's worth it. It's quite worth it. Looks amazing. So on the way back we ran out of battery and we had to push the bike. Thanks for watching. This video was all about nature in China, more specific about the nature in the Guilin area. We went to the rice terraces in the north of Guilin and to XingPing in Yangshuo in the south. All in all, we spent here about 2 weeks and the scenery was amazing. The weather wasn't though, but if you visit China, this is one of the areas that you kinda have to visit. In XingPing you can also see the scenery, which is on the 20 renminbi bill, so that's pretty cool, and you can just wander around, hike, visit some fishing villages. There's a lot to see, and XingPing is a lot less crowded and touristy than Yangshuo, which is about 20 kilometers down the river. The river though in XingPing is kinda busy with all the boats coming up from Yangshuo. But anyways, I really liked it a lot. So we also went to Yangshuo as I mentioned in the video, but we stayed really far outside the city in a small village surrounded by a beautiful scenery, and I really enjoyed it because this was very quiet and very relaxed, and you can just rent a scooter and see all the sights. There's one thing that bothered me a little bit, and that was litter. There's not a whole lot of trash lying around, but at some spots it's kind of piling up and really does kind of destroy the whole ambience of this perfect scenery. Nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.